Hiker Jay here. A quick little video for you about a new carabiner by 5.11, and I just love it. It's the Hardpoint M2, and it hooks right into MOLLE like this, and it's a clip type of carabiner. These were really sweet. They were giving them out at SHOT Show. It took me a while to get my hands on one. They're available now, so I'm going to show it to you, share it with you, and of course, as always, all the links to the products are down below in the description, so you can check this out yourself. So right now, I've got this attached onto my go bag, my mini go bag, which I did a video on. I absolutely love this thing. It's working out wonderfully. I keep it under the seat of my Jeep. But I wanted somewhere to be able to clip something like keys real quick. And when I saw this, I just thought it was super awesome. It has a setup where you can certainly hook it into MOLLE like this, but you can also switch it around. And the way they really show it is that it's kind of hanging out this fashion. See how it just kind of hangs out, which is pretty sweet. So it's really just an attachment point for any type of MOLLE system or hexagon system where you can have a clip and clip into it. I like that you can secure it right up against the pack, but they really show that it can hang out and be out that way, and that way you can clip something on it real quick and easy. Let me take it off here so I can show you to you a little bit better. So this is the Hardpoint M2. I just really think it's great. It's a small little carabiner. They're gonna have them in different sizes as well too. So this is not super load bearing. It actually says that it's up to 95 pounds. I'm kind of surprised by it because it's pretty light. But you can see where it hooks into really kind of locks into a MOLLE system here, but it also has grips on both sides to lock in. Just a sweet little carabiner. Wanted to share it with you. If you want to check them out yourself, you can check them out down below in the link and the description and get one yourself. So right now they're just on the 5.11 store. They might be in the Amazon. When they do, I'll give a link for that too. But cool little carabiner. Thanks 5.11. Absolutely love this thing.